I'm starting to lose my skip, guys. So what I'm going to do is I did hear that last station out of Nottingham. I don't know if you can hear me back, but we'll be around. We'll catch it again.
Mike Whiskey 53. Happy New Year to you. Stateside, Roger.
Roger. Happy New Year to you too, my friend. Hope all is well, and the skip is running for us today. And hope you have a great New Year, of course.
Roger, Roger. Operating today this way would be Mike Echo Lima. I believe your name is Drew, is that a Roger?
Roger on that. That's me.
I'm about 100 yards away from Matty. As I speak to Matty, the Charlie station, I'm about 100 yards away from Matty in Nottinghamshire, Roger.
Roger on that. You're doing rather well. The skip is in and out, but when it's in, you're in. You have nice audio, 3.5 on a steady. But when the audio's in, it's running, you're up 5.7. You're doing rather well. And yes, I know Matty.
Okay, Drew. Thank you for acknowledging me. Thank you for answering it. I wish you the very best and a happy New Year. And we'll catch you later on, my friend. I'll bring you back on when that comes, Roger.
Roger on that. Yeah, I'm going to be waiting too, and we'll see if we can hook up again. I know some of the group is on now, and it's good to hear you. And you have a great rest of the day. Maybe we'll be talking again.
Okay then, Drew. All the best to you, my friend. And good night. Bye-bye.
7 trees. Bye-bye, my friend. NY202 is here.
Canada personal log. 762. Eastern Ontario personal log. For John.
Go again, unit calling. I'm sorry.
Yeah, there was an Ontario Canada station calling in there, Drew. Could you hear it?
Just briefly, was in and out, and I thought so. Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, QSK 04 Cambridge with the afternoon wave. To Eastern Ontario, Canada. Personal log. I just being able to hear you guys a little bit. I wondered if you hear me, but I'm going to try again. 762 Eastern Ontario. Personal is Mark.
Mark in Eastern Ontario. This is NY202. We're in the Adirondack Mountains, very close to the Canadian border. Montreal is 60 miles north of my station. You're doing well, 3 and 5. Unexpected surprise, but that's a great contact. Thank you.
Yeah, how about it, Mark? 76, Canada. You got a copy on Cambridge, England? Guys, I'll be on the standby listening in, and I do appreciate the comeback, and I hope you guys, I wish all of you a happy New Year.
Copy on that. Thank you. Delta X-Ray 444. Why don't you grab contact with our friend Mark there?
025, I got a real good copy on you, that's 025. Yeah, 04 Cambridge, Mark. Good morning. Radio Tango 22. Radio Tango 22. United Kingdom call. Over here in the Netherlands, in the city of Rotterdam. Chillagal. I copy that. Well, you're doing about the same here, my friend. You're doing about the same, but for the conditions are just starting. The sun is just getting up, so it will get better as the day comes along. But I wish you happy New Year too, my friend, and a very Merry Christmas late. But I'll be standing by, and I sure won't be.
Skip's running today, friends.
Come back 7 trees, guys. Yeah, okay, Mark. Well, there will be more stations. Good morning. You go. I believe your call was Unit 720. I'm not sure, but anyway, the best wishes over here from 19 Fox Bravo 025 Mike from the city of Rotterdam in the Netherlands. I'll let you go, Mark. 73. Bye bye. Hey Roger, my call numbers are 7. Yeah, good afternoon, Paul. I'm not sure if Drew's tied up talking to somebody else at the moment. Okay, 762.
Copy on that. It's going wild here, Cousin Glenn. I'm going to sit on the side. There must be 10 stations yelling at once.
Yeah, 76204 Cambridge. No, definitely not. Nice lad, Butcher. Yeah. 762, this is World Radio 010. 04. World Radio 157, Loop Isle, South UK. How about it, 010? Very good morning. A very good morning to you. Good afternoon from the Republic of Ireland. This is World Radio 010, operator Charlie, over. Where are you in Canada for the local?
010 in Ireland, New York 202.
And no one put Canada, the sun is just getting up. I just let my horses out of my barn. I think we'll always get those bargains, my friend. So, you guys that personal park, your 762 will be clear. Yes. Hey, Mark, where are you located, over? Log, please. 04 Cambridge return. That's an absolute bargain, that is, bro. 35 miles, I would say, east of the capital, Ottawa side of it as well. Oh, 35 miles east of Ottawa. We make it a great trip across the pond into the county of Monaghan in the Republic of Ireland there, Mark. We definitely blow and smoke. Well, I wish you and your family a very happy new year there. And a good start to 24 there, Roger. Give you a monkey lesson, man. Copy that, and the same to you.